Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to share files in your Google Drive using a link. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. Right now, let's simply try to share some files. This right here is a folder. Let's say I want to share it. Simply right click on it, and these things will open up. From here, as you can see, there's open with, download, rename, and finally the thing we're looking for, share. Simply hover over it, and as you can see, it's giving you two options, that is share and copy link. What I would like to do is click on the share button right here. Once you click on it, it's gonna open something like this. From here, do note that the general access will be currently restricted. Simply click on the restricted button and it will give you two options like restricted and anyone with the link. Simply click on the second option in case you want anyone with the link to open the file. And once you've done it, simply hit on copy link and the link will be copied to your clipboard. Simply share the link with your friend and then your friend will be able to access the folder, a file for which you have created the link. It is quite easy. And guys, that is it. That is how you share files from your Google Drive account using a link. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.